my friends, and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those who may not know me, my name is JoshuaHaynes, and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Today we're talking about keyboard shortcuts to save you time. That's right, there's more to keyboard shortcuts than just the standard boring Control-C and Control-V. So let's face it, we're always complaining about not having enough time. So since we all have to be on our computers a lot more than we would like, what better time, no pun intended, to learn how to increase our efficiency on our computers. So this will be a quick video, so grab a sheet of paper and a pen so you can jot down some of these shortcuts if you don't know them already. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm glad to see I have your interest, so let's not waste any time. Let's start with tip number 1, Command H. Perhaps you're scrolling on Facebook or YouTube and your boss walks in. Well, have no fear, Command H is here. This will immediately hide all of your open pages, leaving only your desktop screen present. Tip number 2, Control or Command M. In the age of multitasking, I often have multiple programs running on my computer at the same time. So if I want to minimize something very easily, all I have to do is press Control or Command M and it's minimalized. Tip number 3, Control N for new. Whether you need a new browser page open or a new document open on Word, I always use Control N so that I can open something new. It saves me a lot of time. I don't have to go to new document. I don't have to go to new tab. All you have to do is press Control or Command N, and there you go. It's right there. Tip number 4. I hope this isn't a new tip for you, but guess what? If it is, I'm not judging. Command plus or minus. If you have a Mac computer, you'll be using the command sign. If you have a Windows computer, it'll be Control for you. But if you ever need to zoom in or zoom out on a page, all you have to do is press the Command or Control with the plus arrow key, and then you will be able to zoom in. Command minus allows you to zoom out of that page. Tip number 5 is something I use every day for my work computer. It's the Windows key and L, as in the letter L. For a PC, and if you have a Mac computer, it would be the Command Control Q. With this shortcut, you can lock your computer screen in a matter of seconds, which is very convenient, saves you a lot of time. You can easily leave your computer and just lock it so that no one could get on it if you don't want them to. All right, we're pushing through. Tip number 6, Control Shift and V. You've probably heard of Control V. Well, let's be honest, everyone has. So this shortcut also allows you to paste from your clipboard, but the difference is it allows you to paste everything as a plain text, meaning that any strange formatting you may have brought over won't disrupt the formatting you are using on your document. So it's a great convenient tip. You don't have to press that right click and fix the formatting with that paste. Control Shift V all the way. And finally, tip number 7, the Alt key and the Tab key for Windows, or for Mac, Command key and Tab key. This is a great tip I use all the time when I'm multitasking, which is like every day. Pressing Alt Tab or Command Tab allows you to multitask in between different programs so that you're easily able to switch between Microsoft Word, Safari, Internet Explorer, whatever you're using, you're able to multitask and open it very quickly without having to use your mouse. Saves you a lot of time. I'm gonna just stop right there, give you 7 great tips. That's all I'm gonna cover for today's video. But there's plenty more keyboard shortcuts you could incorporate in your work life. Also, I have to mention, I posted an Apple challenge on my social media page last week, and I want to encourage you guys to participate by building things using your Apple products. I'm sorry this is only an Apple challenge for people who use a lot of Apple products, but I promise you Android users and Windows users, I have something for you in the future. So if you're interested in winning a $25 Apple gift card, feel free to participate. I posted this in my Instagram profile, but I'll also be sharing it with anyone on Facebook as well. But as always, thanks for watching today's episode of Tech Tuesday. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for giving me your time. I hope the information I presented today helps you in some way, shape, or form. But if it's your second or third or fourth or fifth time watching my videos, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys next week. Stay safe.